I am eating dinner. He is swimming in the pool. You are watching TV. He is playing cricket. She is drawing a picture. They are going to school. We are learning English. I am writing notes. You are cleaning the room. He is sleeping now. She is cooking food. I am drinking milk. You are running fast. He is reading a book. She is singing a song. They are laughing loudly. We are dancing together. I am brushing my teeth. You are helping your friend. He is fixing his cycle. She is buying vegetables. You are talking to mom. She is feeding the baby. They are playing in the garden. We are washing clothes. I am calling my friend. You are typing a message. He is drawing a cartoon. I am making tea. You are opening the window. He is closing the door. She is watering the plants.